Welcome, beloved traveler of the inner world. In this sacred moment, you are invited into a doorway that leads beyond sound, beyond words, beyond even thought, into the silent pulse of your heart, where the universe itself whispers a timeless song. Today, you and I will explore a profound and powerful technique from the Vigyan Bhairava Tantra, an ancient wisdom scripture spoken by Shiva to the goddess Devi, revealing 112 ways to return to your true self, the boundless, ever-present source of awareness. The technique we are about to enter is simple yet deeply transformative. Hear the sound of Om resonate in the heart. Om is not just a chant or a vibration that fills the air. Om is the seed sound of creation. It is the primal resonance from which all other sounds are born, and it lives, not just in the external world, but in the very core of your being. Right now, as you breathe, your heart quietly echoes with the sound of Om. You may not have noticed it before, and that's okay. This practice is your chance to rediscover it. You don't have to chant it. You don't even have to think it. You are only asked to listen, not with your ears, but with your awareness. Today, together, we will turn inward, toward the sacred temple of the heart, and discover the eternal song that never stops singing inside you. Let's begin this beautiful inner journey. This ancient technique from the Vigyan Bhairava Tantra teaches that when you focus your attention on the heart and listen deeply, a sacred vibration reveals itself, the sound of Om, not heard through the ears, but felt as an inner hum, a gentle resonance, a sacred presence within. Unlike the Om you might chant aloud in yoga or meditation classes, this Om is different. It is silent. It is subtle. It is internal. You do not create it. You simply become aware of it. Om is often described as three sounds, A, U, and M, representing creation, preservation, and dissolution. But these are only symbols. In this practice, you are not analyzing Om or visualizing it. You are allowing your awareness to rest in the heart, the center of your being, and noticing what is already there. In the heart, Om lives as a kind of inner music, a subtle hum that continues whether or not you are aware of it. It's like a sacred heartbeat, not just of your body, but of the universe itself. The invitation of this practice is to rest deeply in your chest, your heart space, and tune in, not to sound in the air, but to sound in awareness. It's a different kind of listening, inward, intuitive, gentle. Om becomes a portal, a bridge, from ordinary mind to timeless presence. And the more you listen, the more it reveals itself. So rather than seeking to hear something specific, simply soften, allow, and attune. The practice begins in simplicity. All you need is your heart, your breath, and your attention. Before we step fully into the practice, let's take a few moments to create the right atmosphere for your inner journey. If you haven't already, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without distractions. You might wish to sit on a cushion, cross-legged on the floor, or on a chair with your feet flat and grounded. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or lightly over your heart. Let your spine be tall, not rigid but relaxed, like a mountain that breathes. Close your eyes now. Let the world outside gently fall away. You are safe here. You are at home. Feel the air entering through your nose and flowing out slowly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Sense the rhythm of your breath, like waves arriving and returning. With each exhale, feel the body softening, letting go of tension in the shoulders, the jaw, the belly. You are not here to strive or perform. You are here to listen, softly, curiously, as if hearing a familiar melody hidden in the silence. As you breathe, imagine a soft glow in the center of your chest, the heart space. With each inhale, this light becomes warmer. With each exhale, the mind becomes quieter. This is your temple now, your sacred inner sanctuary. And here, in this stillness, the sacred Om is waiting to greet you. Now we begin the practice. Bring your full awareness to the center of your chest, not the physical heart, but the spiritual heart space, the Anahata, which means the unstruck sound, the sound that arises without contact. This is the seat of subtle vibration. Imagine this space not as an organ, but as a glowing inner chamber, alive with presence. Visualize a soft, golden light radiating here, pulsing with each breath. Let your attention rest in this inner cave. In this still, sacred space, imagine that the sound of Om is already humming quietly, not in your ears, but in the depths of your being. You are not trying to chant. You are not imagining. You are simply becoming aware. It may feel like a deep hum, or a silent pulse, or even a feeling without sound. Whatever arises, welcome it. With each inhale, imagine your awareness deepening into the heart. With each exhale, feel yourself softening, opening, allowing. Say silently in your mind, I listen to the Om within. Feel the vibration beneath thought, beneath emotion. You might sense it as a soft buzzing, a warmth, or a gentle magnetic pull in your chest. You may not hear a distinct sound, and that is perfectly okay. The practice is about tuning into presence, not forcing an experience. Stay with this, heart awareness, gentle listening, sacred noticing. Feel the Om not as an idea, but as a living vibration inside you. It has always been there. Now, you are simply meeting it again, like an old friend. Let every breath guide you deeper. Rest in this listening. Rest in this inner sound. There is nothing else to do. Let the sound of Om carry you. As we slowly return from the depths of this practice, take a gentle moment to reflect. Not to analyze, but to notice. What did you feel? Was there a subtle warmth in your chest? A sense of peace? A quiet vibration? Or simply a stillness, a silence that felt alive? There is no right or wrong answer. Every experience is valid. The sound of Om may have appeared as a feeling, a presence, or nothing at all, and all of that is beautiful. What matters is your presence, your willingness to turn inward, to listen, to trust. Each time you practice, the clarity deepens. The sound becomes clearer not because it changes, but because you do. The more you listen, the more you remember, you were never separate from Om. It has always lived inside your heart. This practice is not limited to meditation. The sound of Om is always with you. As you move through your day, during work, while walking, while resting, remember that you can return to the heart, gently, anytime. Simply bring your attention inward, and listen again. Even for a minute. Even for a single breath. Allow the presence of Om to rise naturally within you. The heart doesn't need you to strain. It simply needs your return. The more you listen, the more your life becomes music, every thought, every word, every step, part of the great symphony of being. The Om is not just a sound. It is the pulse of your own soul. It is the echo of the divine within you. Whenever you feel lost, scattered, or overwhelmed, return to the heart. Rest in silence. Listen. The sacred sound will guide you home. It always has. It always will. If this practice brought you peace or insight, let us know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to receive new guided journeys from the Vigyan Bhairava Tantra. Let this ancient wisdom continue to guide your modern life. Until next time, may the sound of Om live in your breath, your heart, and your every step. Om Ha Ha Mahadev.